Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Danny, and guess what? Your boy back with another unboxing video, and today we're just keeping it simple. And we have the Ulanzi MA38, which is your typical phone mount for a tripod or a mini tripod. And what makes this special is because it's a smaller form factor with still being able to prop your phone up, magnetize it to something so that you can record yourself or record any kind of content, but it's just a good accessory to keep in your bag. Now, as you can see here, I already have two mini tripods, where this one here has the octopus legs where you can pretty much tie it down to a railing, a fence, a tree branch, anything like that. But this is just kind of pretty big. Now, I do have the phone mount that's MagSafe, so I can clamp my phone to this and be able to use it like this. But to me, this is just overkill. It's great for a mirrorless setup, but again, it's just too big for me. This one here is a little smaller. This one here is made by Manfrotto, and it just has your traditional phone mount here, where it has sort of a tension knob here where you got to kind of clamp your phone down. But this is, for me, in my opinion, just a little bit outdated. Now, Ulanzi does make other versions that are similar to this on Amazon. I believe this one here is going for around 30 bucks, give or take. Sometimes they have a coupon code where you can get about $5 off or whatever the case may be. And shout out to my wife. She got this for me for a Christmas gift. I appreciate it and I love you, babe. But yeah, let's go ahead and get this bad boy open here. And as you can see here, it does come with a magnetic ring, where if you are using a case that doesn't have MagSafe, you can just peel off the adhesive and stick it to your case and still be able to use this product with it. Now, this does have what's called a tripod mode. It also has a mantis mode where you can put this on the back of a door and still be able to get an angle or a shot or whatever it is that you're trying to get. And then these right here open up, and it can kind of turn into a mini tripod where you can use it as a phone stand or whatever it may be. And but for me, what I like about it is because it does have reversible magnets on both sides. So Ulanzi does make a light where you can put this side on the back of your phone case, and then you can magnetize a phone light to this side. So for this one, it has a cold shoe adapter at the top, which this one doesn't, but it does have the magnets on both sides. So for me, this is just a little more modern, which I like better. And then also you kind of have this, well, you do have this carabiner clip right here, so you can clamp it down to your belt hoop or even clamp it down to a bag. So again, this is real sleek, light, could just slip it into your bag, take it with you, and you pretty much can use it like these without having to tote these around. And then also for me, I do like the fact that you can use it to be able to get those low angle shots right here. So you flip this around, you can be able to get some low angle shots. But yeah, just a real quick unboxing. But y'all let me know if you haven't already. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and beat it up in the comments. Let me know if you think this is worth 30 bucks or 35 bucks, give or take, or is it something you spend your money on, or would you just kind of stick to what already works and save the money and just use what you already got? But yeah, you guys let me know. Happy New Year. You guys stay safe, enjoy, take care, and see you in the next one. Peace.